Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable gesture navigation in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to System. Here you can see System Navigation. Click on this. If you want to enable your gesture navigation, you just have to select here Gesture Navigation. That's it. So this is how to enable gesture navigation in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.